Alright, we have to stoop down a little bit because the camera tilt down on these boxes. Yes, these boxes right here. What is in these boxes? This is the very first unboxing of Unstoppable's so where the Unstoppable Army send Unstoppable through the mail. See, now what is in these boxes? We're gonna find out right after this.
Unstoppable.
Alright, so let's cut all the anxiety and get right to it. So you may remember a couple of weeks ago, we did a show where we allowed all the business owners, small business owners, to promote their business for free, you know, where they can give persons information what their business is all about, them contact info and all of that, right? Several persons called in. It was great, it was awesome, it was wonderful. Alright, but before I even continue to the unboxing of this, let me make sure I say this and big up to few persons who me no want to attack me when them see that unboxing here. I want to big up to Venice. Venice sent me her teas. Big up to Venice. And I did not do an unboxing for Venice teas. I am so sorry, Venice. But I told me did so eager to open it and taste them. Me never click it on my brain so let me do an unboxing video feed. But big up to Venice people who know Venice. I'm still on Venice teas right now. Still not done yet. Still I try it out. So yeah, Venice was the first person. And the next person is Flavia. Flavia sent me her juices and I did not do an unboxing for Flavia's juices. So I apologize, Flavia. But the reason behind that, people, Flavia juice them was so good, me did just have to just jump right in and start drink. And not only that, Jay did done bust the box open and start drink them anyways before I got to it. So but moving right along. This package came today, right? This package came today from let me see. Let me look. Bounderlaster.com. This is Bounderlaster's website, alright. And the first thing you're greeted by, it says use code SAVE20 to save 20%, no minimum order. So that simply means, say, you could have spent $10, $20, it no matter what, you save 20% off of that. See it? And it says Bounderlaster handmade soaps and more. Website look nice and professional. I like that. Professionalism are one thing me take pride upon people. Me always tell you no. Alright, it says just like nature intended, handcrafted organic soaps and more. Alright, look here. Nice. Look there, the soap them look good. Professionalism. Professional. Natural soap bars. See, they enjoy nature's gift with a Bounderlaster natural bar. Be one with nature. See it here? Looking good. Alright. And see a testimony here from a customer, Michael. Big up yourself, Michael in Jamaica, says, I'm loving them. Bounderlaster soaps are the best. Really soft on the skin. Superb scents. Boy, may I tell you, they soap them nice. And them contact information right there, so yeah man, and see there, whole heap of payment option them have down at bottom. So you can't say, oh, me not have PayPal, or me not have Visa, or me not have this. Them have a whole heap of payment options so you can choose from. Zine? So yeah man, check them out. Alright, now you may remember Bounderlaster.com. She was one of the females who called in about the soaps, right? Remember when we did a talk, say, yo, if any soap can remove them patchy spot burn ya off of my face when they have from me a baby pitney. I got primary school, then them soap, there are some miracle soaps. So she said, Unstoppable, not to worry. I'm going to send you some soaps and I'm going to let you try it out. So people, the soaps finally arrived and I'm going to look what is in the box right now. But the thing about it, people, a 2 box in a seat here. 1, 2 box there. But what happened is, she sent 1 box first, and when she contacted me weeks later and said, Unstoppable, did you receive the mail? I said, no. She said, but I sent it. It should have been delivered. And I was like, no, I didn't get it. But what happened is, it got lost in the mail. So she said, not to worry, Unstoppable, I'll send you another one. She sent off another one, and it was delivered today. But not only the one which she sent off, both of them came together. The one that got lost in the mail and the one which she sent off. Why may I tell you? But I guess the more the merrier, right? We just give Jay one and me keep one. So that's 2 different reactions right there, you know. Yes. And by the way, I checked out Bounderlaster.com. Check out them website. It look very nice. See it. Take a look on it for yourself, people. Yeah man, the website look good. So alright, it's time now for the unboxing. Got my knife. We're gonna cut the box open and we're gonna see what all comes in this box. Let's do this. Alright. Alright. Let's cut this right here. Cut the next side here. And whoops! Nicely packaged. See it? Move off them papers here from the top. Let's put them right there. See it? See it? Nicely wrapped in a yellow wrapping. And it says thank you. I don't know if you can see that. I have a nice little sticker right there that says thank you for supporting my small business. Oh, you mean nice. Professionalism we are talking about, you know, people. Let's open this up and see what go on in here, so. Alright. Whoa, you look here. You look pretty inside. Now, first thing it says avocado. This is the avocado one. So, I don't know what this one is all about, but we're going to try it out. See, that's the first one. Put that to the side. All right. This one right here says sexy yoni. All right. Smells natural. All right. Then that one here. Wait, them have ingredients to the back. Wait, them have ingredients to the back, people. It says ingredients. Sodium hydroxide, water, vegetable oil, coconut oil, shea butter, aloe vera, clay, boundelaster.com. Alright, that one you know what the licky yoni. Whoa, licky yoni. Moving right along, moving right along. Moving right along. What else in the box? Now it also come with what? Turmeric floral oil. Watch out, people. And this is for the face. It says shake well. So you know, alright. Moving right along, moving right along. What is now? What is now? Fully loaded bath salt. Watch, hey, Boundelaster fix we up good enough. Make we move on, make we move on. What else? It says kiss my skin. Whoa, kiss my skin body butter. Me and Jay little more when me rub on this. Hey, let me smell it. People, why? Some love making butter. Alright then, Jay, I go kiss up my skin when time I rub on this. Alright, moving right along. What else there? Intense turmeric scrub. Alright, and this is for the face as well. Alright, whoa, Lord jeez. What else there? What else there? Alright, this is another bar of soap. This one is the turmeric and activated charcoal soap. Alright, what else there? What else there? This one says struggle. Alright then. Moving right along. What else there? Another bar of soap again. Another intense turmeric. Alright. Yeah. What else there? What else? Now them two package here, I don't know what I have to go ask her them for. But me I go check now, ask her and find out what these packages are for. You see it? See there? Turmeric. Alright. This look like powder turmeric. Alright. Me I go ask her how me to use them the come. I don't know what to do. What else in the box? What else in the box? Well, we get a nice card. It says, may your soap basket never go empty. Whoa, I mean, did get that slogan there, you know? I mean, did get that, hey, sure. And it says, boundelaster.com. Yeah. All right, so people, make sure you go check out boundelaster.com. All right. What else there? My slogan, the pan card, people. If you don't want a good slogan, check Unstoppable. All right. Now, this one says, thank you. Hey, I like them professionalism. Watch it now. Card, it says, may your soap basket never go empty. To Unstoppable from Boundelaster, right? It says, thank you for what you did for me on your show. May God bless you. Enjoy your baskets. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hold on, on the basket it say. Enjoy your products. Oh, our products it say. She right bad. Me not tell her lie. Look. She right bad. A true. Love your same way. Alright, so box done. Box done. Alright. But people remember me telling you say a 2 boxes, you know, so I think the 2 boxes should have the same thing. But just I not go unbox that one, but me just go cut it to see if I the same thing them in there. See? So let's go. Cut. We just go see if I the same things in the 2 boxes them. You see it? See it there? So I never mistake she make when she pack the first one nice and neat and pretty. So you see that? Oh, kude. Watch it. Kude. Wait the man, that one you look pretty. Wait the man, that one you look prettier, people. Watch ya. That one you wrap up. This never in our first box. I want a good thing. So I decided to unwrap that one too. Wait, let me cut it open. Cut it. and see what I go on. Watch here. Watch it. Hey, me feel special. I see them thing them still in about I want to just rap a little bit different and neat and nicer. Watch here. Me feel special. Oh God. Me feel loved. Moving on. Me feel loved. I feel special, people. Watch here. Moving right along. Why else? That one a little bit lighter though. Me disappointed in that second box here still. But anyway. Got it open. I see them thing them in a 2 box, but that one I just pack a little bit lighter. Cut it open. See it there? I see them thing them in a 2 box. Same amount of soap, same amount of things, but that one I just pack a little bit lighter. So people, I have to go clean up the counter here before Jake reach. But anyway, people, this has been the unboxing of Boundalaster's handmade soap, and it's all natural, right? Made from nature. See it? So people, me I go use them. Me not try none yet. Me I go sample the product them, and me I go see how good them work. And as me tell her, if them soap you move, I don't know if you can see them, the patty spot burn them out of my face, the add patty meat. Me I go make you know. See it? So like me say, this has been the unboxing of the items received from Boundalaster.com. You can check out them website. The link is going to be down in the description. Alright? Little more people, big up Boundalaster.com. My God.
Unstoppable.